we've got
action-packed at JackHammer UK. Bring it on to the next bout. This is a K1 title fight for the WMO area title. 5 rounds, 2 minutes each. Making their way to the blue corner, Bote. Following him into the ring, making his way to the red corner, Peterkin.
Here we go then, we've already got Bote from Sleaford in the ring. Now making his way, Ajax Peterkin.
WFA, good gym, but then we've
Warriors
got the
Fight Academy, Remain.
We've got the Combat Academy as well though.
Brilliant gym over there.
Once again, this is a K1 bout for the WMO area title. 5 rounds, 2 minutes each. Reintroducing in the blue corner, representing Sleaford. Make some noise for Bote. And in the red corner, he is representing WFA. Make some noise for AJ Peterkin.
Holly's handing out Tic Tacs.
With a tiny Tic Tac.
Tiny Tic Tacs.
Portion control.
That is true.
Yeah.
Anyway, right, back to the fights. For the WMO area title, K1, 5 2-minute rounds. We've got Ajax in the red corner, and we've got Jace in the blue.
Round 1.
Here we go.
Ajax straight out. Ajax is definitely on that front foot.
Leg kick there from Ajax.
You can see the high advantage though already. Nice exchange there.
Jace is rapid. Really, really fast.
Jace didn't quite connect with them shots there. Ajax find that inside leg. Ajax still just fighting at range.
Both lads just matching each other pretty well at the moment.
Nice bit of movement there from Ajax, spinning off on that centre. Ajax getting the instruction to keep him there.
Oh, flick. That was a flick to the groin. Jace's corner saying that Ajax is too tall. That's why he's hitting the groin
He's too tall.
with a body kick.
He's ready. He's ready to get back in. Here we go then. Straight in there, Jace.
Lovely shot.
Both just attacking the legs.
Yeah, a little bit cagey at the moment.
Yeah, just not giving away too much.
This is 5 rounds as well, so plenty of time.
Yeah, nice shot thrown there from Ajax. Nice switch knee there.
I think Jace felt that one.
Nice side kick
Lovely
there.
side kick. And there's time for
And there's the
round one.
bell. Yeah, I must admit, they're being a bit. They're not showing too much so far.
No.
Both fighters are just taking a little step back. You obviously see that Ajax is definitely on the front foot, finding his range. But even still, Jace, he's throwing his shots and he's landing. Even he's finding his range still.
Yeah.
We'll see what this next round gives us. Feel like Ajax is over there just almost shaking his leg off.
Yeah. You know what? I thought it had gone really quiet in between rounds.
Yeah.
Drew's gone missing.
Ah. That's a very good
I
point.
thought it had gone quiet.
Gurge has gone missing.
Gurge has gone missing. And his microphone's there.
I'm going to jump on it, Olu.
No, fine.
Here we go then. You see that Ajax just finding his range. He's just stepping out of everything that goes at him.
Yeah. I reckon he's got another level, Ajax.
Yeah, possibly. I think Jace is just trying to find where he's at.
Oh, just
Going
skimming
for the head
with that
kick,
head
yeah.
kick.
That one gets up there.
Lovely work.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful left right there from Ajax.
Time, head guard.
Head guard malfunction. Oh, no, don't matter. Referee called his bluff.
Oh. Great shot from Ajax.
Yeah, I feel like he's just almost caught him on the way through there. Knocked him off balance. Yeah, that head kick. I think I think it's a back leg head kick there though.
He's enticing him. He's enticing Jace. And when Jace misses, then he's throwing.
Brilliant shots there. Oh, nice body shot there from Ajax.
Lovely body kick there from Ajax. And a body shot, head, body. Yeah. Oh, lovely knee. Just missing on the point of the knee there.
Yeah,
Like to
finding
see
that
him
right hand over the top.
drive that knee through the middle, through the solar plex.
Ajax is just unleashing that. I think
Yeah.
that was that level he was on about.
Yeah, I thought he had something else.
He seems composed still.
Yeah.
Nice head kick.
There
Yeah,
we
brilliant
go.
second round.
Round 2.
Brilliant second round.
Don't bother talking to them. Don't bother talking to them.
Yeah.
I'm not the guy who ever talking to you. Don't worry.
Starting to fill up in here now. We've got a few fights left.
Yeah.
Here we go, then Ajax and that back leg round kick. And the lead leg as well. Oh, the leg kick there, doubled up.
Oh, straight to the head there by Ajax. He's pressing now.
Yeah, he's got something in him. There we go. Nice tee.
Stinging with everything Ajax is throwing.
Nice inside leg kick there.
Lovely stepping knee there. Oh, he's spinning back
yes. Double up on that leg kick. Jab cross, shows that kick to the head. Oh!
Beautiful shot.
Ajax is staying really composed there, he's looking good.
Do you know what? Props to Jace.
Yeah.
He's taking some shots.
And he's staying in there, you know how he's fighting, he's throwing his punches.
Yeah. Oh! Beautiful work from Ajax. Little fake there, 1-2. He's just playing with him now. Lovely knee up the midsection, and again.
Just getting a little warning there. I mean, you are supposed to throw one in that clinch. Oh, touch the glove straight into that leg kick. Tries to find that jab cross. Into the last 10
Lovely
here.
knee.
Doubled up on that kick again. Jace just circling around there.
End of the round.
They give you a bit of gurge here. Who wants a sweetie? His famous tune.
I think I've eaten most of his sweeties. I've been breaking into that bag with him not knowing.
Yo, who wants a sweetie? You can have a sweetie.
Who wants a sweetie?
You want a sweetie? You get a sweetie. Oh me, oh me. You get a sweetie. You better ready to catch it. Catch it. Seconds out.
Round number 4
Here we go then.
of a scheduled 5. Oh, lovely
Ajax
shot
straight
from
on it.
Ajax.
That knee as well there on the inside.
It's not looking good here.
Jay still
Oh,
throwing back
Jay.
low, still moving round, still
Big
circling.
long knee there from Ajax.
Ajax just closed him down. Definitely got a high advantage, but he is fighting on the inside as well.
Yeah.
Throwing that lead leg up to the head.
Ajax are pushing the pace now. Oh, big teep to the midsection. Jay's felt that one, I think. And again, oh, slip there.
Bit of a slip on his own corner. Recovered though, he's back on the attack. Big knee there.
I'd like to see him step that knee in. He's trying to grab from quite far away.
Yeah.
And it is showing the knee. There we go. The gas tank of Ajax. There we go.
Yeah, he
Referee
does eventually get
stepping
their count.
in. Here we go. Back into it.
Back into the
30
action.
seconds left of this round. Round 4. Ajax's corner's asking him to close the distance. Boxing lead. There we go.
Nice
Oh,
knee, little left hook there.
big body kick.
Nice round kick.
Jace is so tough. He's still in this. He's taking heavy shots. Oh! Time. calling time for? Are we giving a count? Or are we asking if we want to carry on?
I think a count's necessary there.
Oh, he's getting a warning.
Maybe not. Oh, knee to the head.
Okay, I must have missed that one.
Yeah, same.
Oh,
yes.
there from Jace. Still smile on his face
Brilliant.
though.
Yeah, he's enjoying it. He's enjoying it. That's good. Who wants a sweetie?
He's in the bar. I can see him from here.
You gave one.
I was going to go and get one in a sec.
So here we are then. This is the 5th and final round about to get underway. It's a brilliant fight so far. Both lads showing class. But also that stamina. These are 2-minute rounds.
Yeah. Kickboxing is such a fast-paced sport as well. Wow.
Landed clean, but it was on the guard, but it was clean.
Jace is on about getting Ajax out the ring. Don't blame him.
Get rid of his problem.
Yeah.
Oh!
Wow.
What a shot.
Beautiful spinning kick. Ajax is just dancing round now.
Yeah, he
He
knows.
knows.
Oh, he's got...
Out the ring again, no?
Jace is putting something to him now, though.
Yeah. Might be too little, too late, though. Round 5.
Big head kick there. Jace has pushed him to the corners. Oh, big spinning back kick.
Some skills coming off Ajax here.
Oh, just missed that one.
Oh, that was a bit low, that one.
Yeah, that was a bit low.
That was a good one. Jace is still stood up though, still going.
He's still there.
Oi, lovely knee.
Nice knee. Nice tee. Jace is still there. Oh. I think I've seen someone do that.
Lovely shots. The crowd are loving this last round.
Big knee there. Everything's connecting. Jace is still fighting forwards though, still pushing
I'd
him.
like to see Jace move side to side and not in a straight line.
Massively, yeah. I feel like he's just giving Ajax just a point to hit.
Yeah, it's harder to hit a moving target.
Exactly that.
Oh, and again.
Another spinning kick there.
Confidence is flowing through Ajax.
His hands
now.
are down. Tries another one.
Oh.
Big slap.
And
Another
again,
one.
How many spinning back kicks did you count in that round?
Ah.
Unreal. We're going to get a replay now.
Here we
Here's
go.
a replay. Body kicks and
Yeah,
hands.
he's just throwing the hands. Oh, it's almost gone over the ropes there. Oh, there's one. Oh, we got the one in there. I think if we went another 2 seconds over that replay, I would have seen another 3. Brilliant show of class. Not only from Ajax, but also from Jace. He did everything that come his way. Stayed in there. Still pushed forward. 2 brilliant fighters. Absolutely brilliant. Big well done to both of them. Let's now go to Gurge in the ring to get the result.
It's getting in thick and fast. Your winner and your WMO area champion is in the red corner, AJ Peterkin.
Yeah, your winner there, Ajax.
And please give it up for James.
Brilliant fight.